a slightly difficult market, and people are very, a lot more cautious than they possibly were in previous, in previous years. But it has been a good show. It has been attracting the right clientele, and with the right product that we've got here, and the yachts that we've got on display, I think there's a good opportunity that we're going to see some successful results from the Cannes Boat Show.
Year after year, the Cannes Boat Show expands, and the place for brokers is much more important than before. So, and it's less expensive than in Monaco. So that's a reason, especially now.
My compliments and my applaud to the organizers of Cannes. They did a fantastic job. It's a beautiful environment, very well organized, and I hope they're going to keep up like that.
We have quite a few clients on the quays here. It's a quiet show, but it's a good quality show.
In one sentence, I say, Cannes Boat Show is the boat show.